Imagine making this delicious ice cream with just 3 ingredients. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make homemade ice cream in 3 different flavors: vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. So let's start with the process. You are going to get evaporated milk or milk. For this I'm using the peak filled milk, and I'm going to pour that into a bowl. Then I'll be adding half cup of sugar. That milk is 1 cup and this sugar is half cup because we're about to make our own condensed milk. So you're going to mix the sugar and the milk together. You don't want the sugar to settle down in the milk. It can actually burn when you place it on fire. So ensure you incorporate it well. And then you're going to place on a fire. But this I'm using hot plates. So I'll just mix thoroughly till I get to this point. You can see that it's becoming thick. When it's thick enough, this is thick enough, it will actually get thicker when it's off the fire. So I'll just switch it off, bring it down. Then you can see how thick this condensed milk is. You don't need to buy condensed milk to make your ice cream. Just follow this and you get it. And then we are going to be using whipped cream powder. This whipped cream powder is 500 grams. I'll be measuring out 2 cups of whipped cream powder. It's actually very easy to get. Just go to any baking store and ask for whipped cream powder. They will sell it to you. So after measuring out 2 cups of whipped cream powder, I'll be adding cold water. This water even has blocks in it, so make sure your water is really cold because we're about to whip our ice cream. I'll be making use of a hand mixer, and I'm just going to mix this thing till it is fluffy. I added just 1 cup of water to this because I want it to be thick. You can see how thick this is. That's what I'm going for. I want the ice cream to be really thick. But if you want your ice cream to be a bit watery, you can add more water. So I'm going to add vanilla essence and then add the condensed milk. Please ensure that your condensed milk is cool enough before you add it to this whipped cream. And then we are going to use that hand mixer again to incorporate the condensed milk with the whipped cream. And here you have it. Like, your ice cream is ready. So you ensure you whip this till it's totally mixed together. Look at it. Look at the consistency. Look at how thick this ice cream is. So if you want a really thick ice cream, please don't add too much water. This is 2:1, 2 cups of whipped cream powder to 1 cup of water, and look how thick it is. So we've made the vanilla part of the ice cream. This is actually a very simple way to make your ice cream. And before you ask me, what if I don't have an hand mixer? You can make use of a hand whisk. Very simple as that. Then I'm going to get another ice cream into a bowl because we're about to make chocolate ice cream. So these are chocolate bars. I'm going to melt this. I melted this by just placing this glass bowl in hot water, and it's melted. So I'm going to be adding the chocolates, the melted chocolates, into this ice cream. Can you imagine the taste of this? Like real chocolate bars to ice cream. Heaven. So you are going to incorporate it well. This color will actually get deeper when you place it, so don't mind the color for now, but when you allow to rest, it becomes deeper. So that should not be your concern. So I'm just going to mix everything together, and after mixing together, this is what we have. So now it's time to make the strawberry flavor. So I added strawberry flavor to this. If you have strawberry, you can actually blend it, make it into a puree and add to the ice cream. But me, I don't have that, so I'll just be making use of the strawberry flavor. So you incorporate and it gives you this beautiful pink color. This color was so beautiful. I actually don't have favorites, but this is about to be my favorite. So this is the chocolate, the strawberry flavor. You're just going to put that into a bowl. For me, I'm using one bowl to just put everything inside. So this is me putting the chocolate into the bowl. So after you add everything together, you're just going to close this and leave overnight, or you can leave 6 hours in your freezer. And this is after 6 hours of freezing this ice cream. So that's an ice cream scoop. I'm just going to scoop a line of this beautiful ice cream. My God, it tasted so heavenly. I don't know how to explain the tastes. So after scooping, I just scoop this into a bowl. Look at it. Look at that flavor. I think I just need to stop talking now. Look at the chocolates. So you actually don't need to buy ice cream this Christmas period. Just make your own at home.